Optima Life Sciences Private Limited is a real solution provider to the nutrition and health sector in animal industry. It has started in 5 years back. We too have started from scratch this company and brought it to this level. And we are started exporting recently also. We are present all over India. We have two offices, one at Pune and one at Coimbatore. And almost close to more than 50 employees are there. And this is the first time we participate in Poultry Expo. And basically, giving service to our clients is our prime motto, actually. Sales comes after later. Maybe I would say if any, mostly more than 30-40% of our clients, if they think of any problem, they'll think of Optima. That is the sole motto. And yesterday also we have launched a new unique thing no company has done so far. A new app we have launched. And so in the app, by opening they can download the app, Optima app in their mobile, and anything related to the poultry industry. Any doubts, any technical solutions. This is not the way to promote our product. It is the way to reach the customer for solution. Any problem they can log into that. They can see the information about poultry health, poultry nutrition solutions. Everything will be available there. Actually, it can reach one button solution to reach us. That in that way you can understand more about Optima Life Sciences. We are representing in India a company called AkzoNobel, which is from Sweden. They have a unique solution provider for liquid premixing. So that is also innovative thing. And also we represent a company called Dovision from Netherlands. So you have exclusive rights for India, Bangladesh and Sri Lanka from them. Also we have complete range of our own products in disinfectant and water sanitizer. And I take care of technical part. My partner Vinay Kulkarni takes care of sales and marketing activities and other activities of the company. And regarding Poultry Expo, yeah, it's a very good response. Only one problem with Poultry Expo is that the space which we require, always we don't get it. So, because it has been allotted year after year to the same company. If it is a rotation basis or a lot basis, I would appreciate Poultry India exhibitor if you allow us to fair chance to participate in every exhibition. So, we are born late, it is not our mistake. So, but otherwise it is nicely arranged, everything, Poultry exhibition. I hats off to them, and at affordable cost when international exhibitors warrants huge money. So they are affording this high-tech expo at affordable price. And I assure that every year we will participate in the expo. And the only issue is that the required space, what we want to give it. We are actually feed additive company. We are having a stall at equipment division. So thank you very much and all the best.